Hello and welcome back to SAP S/4HANA Asset Management Training. We'll continue looking at the Fiori Launchpad, and this time we're going to look at the Find Maintenance Notification app. This is under the Notification group. When I click on it, I get to the standard screen where I have several filters. If I need additional filters, I need to go to Adapt Filters. Then from here I can search the additional filters that I need to appear on my standard screen. In my case, I'm going to select the planner group. So select that and then press OK. And now here I have the planner group as one of the filters. So I'm going to search for notifications that are assigned to this planner group. So I need to enter my planner group here, then execute, and now that returns these notifications which is associated with that planner group. If I highlight the notification on the right hand side, I have additional apps there that are related to notifications, and we're going to be coming to them later. So from here I can select that notification, and what I'm showing here is some of the standard information that you have describing your notification, such as general, scheduling, malfunction information, tasks, activities, and so forth. So I'm going to go back to my maintenance notification. This time I'm going to change the maintenance notification. So again, I'm going to highlight it and then select one of these apps here, the second one, which is Change Maintenance Notification. So if I click on that, it gets me to the Change Maintenance Notification app. And this is very similar to the rest of the apps. At the very top, you have a few tabs there, such as check entries, set system starters, additional functions, and so on. Then in the middle section, I have similar information to what we have seen in other apps. For example, the general data, we have location data, we have organization data, malfunction data, task data, activities, and documents. So very similar to what we have in other apps. So the next thing that I need to do is I need to assign an order to this notification. So you can assign an order to notification from the Change Notification app. And how we do this is we go to Assign Order and then Create Order for Notification. So if I click on that, then it gets me to this screen here, Create Order. There's the order type, planning plant, which is inherited from your notification, business area, work center, all that information most of the time is inherited from your notification. So once you're done with that, you need to go ahead and press OK. And this takes you to the Create Maintenance Order screen. And from here, again, standard information that we have at the top, general data, location, organizational data, and so on. So that is how we work with maintenance notifications and how we can create a maintenance order. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.